Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to another video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video we're going to see the latest update which have come in the Redmi 4 devices, which is of the MIUI version 10.1.1.0, and let's see what kind of update it is and what kind of changes it has brought in this phone of the Redmi 4. So without wasting time, I'm your friend Manish. I'm watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get straight into the video. So this is the Redmi 4 phone in my hand, and for the latest update you need to go to settings over here, and over the settings over you can see the about phone. Once you press the about phone, it is the system update, and in the system update you're going to get a design for full screen experience, the new UI. If you go above, and we're going to see the new UI after the update, and natural sound system and other improvement of optimization. So overall this update is of 316 MB, and if you're downloading this update, make sure your battery is above 50% and is ready for the boot up. So let me just reboot right now. So the device has been updated right now, and the first notification or the first change you can able to see in this Redmi 4 device is of the icons. Yes, as you can see, the icons has gone little bit of in the square options, or you can say in the round options. The icons have gone in the round options. Let me go for the notification above. Here you can see the notification like this. And there's a change in the notification of the above. Even the brightness menu has gone a little bit of a change. If I press over here, so this is the first changes which you notification in the panel, or the changes or the design has been changed. So let me go for, so here the volume notification which is again changed. So I'm using the mute option right now. So this is your all volume up, your all menu options. So your silent, your DND, your all the ringtones, your alarm, and all has been changed. So new UI in the MIUI version 10 in this Redmi 4 device. So let me show you more about the changes. Let me just switch to clock. And if I switch to clock, I'm just switching to no thanks, and clock, timer, your alarm, additional settings, your ringtone, so all the natural sounds right now have been came in this device right now. So again, a new feature which have been came in this device, all sort of new UI, and let me just show you this settings. Look, your all the recent application has also been changed in this MIUI version 10. Now you can simply swipe right or swipe left to remove your versions of the notification panel or any app in the notification panel. So let me just open up a Chrome over here. So I open up a Chrome over here which is showing up a news article, and if you want to use a split screen, you need to press the split screen, or over here you can press on the app, then you can press on the split screen. It will go above, and in the beneath you can use another app or another as per WhatsApp or any music app which you want to use in this split screen. So again, a nice feature. Even here you can see the exit option. Once I remove the exit option, so 16 MB clear. So all the MIUI version have become over here. There's no improvement in the camera right now. Maybe in the January or maybe in the first week of February we're going to see the next update about the camera. So that's all the update which have come in the Redmi 4 devices. Let me use it for a couple of days and let me just feel of the new UI experience which I'm facing it right now in my Redmi 4 devices. Maybe later in the week or maybe later in the month or maybe early 2019 we're going to do a detailed review about the MIUI version 10 or the latest update which have come in this phone. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because on weekly basis I keep on making such videos.